How to fix GTL Getting Out app not working? Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name GTL Getting Out and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down. Go ahead and open this option General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Now in this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app GTL Getting Out. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. So click on this option Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store. Search for the app GTL Getting Out. Once app appears, install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix GTL Getting Out app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.